Welcome back. Xerox will cost 2 to 3 rupees per copy from Monday. All Goa Xerox Owners Association has resolved to raise Xerox charges by 1 to 2 more rupee per copy from Monday. Association says new rates will be initially applicable in Bicholi and Sattari. Rest Xerox shops in the state will follow later. Association held its meeting on Sunday at Bicholi. It has also raised concern over increasing control by outsiders on this business. Now ration card and election card Xerox will cost 3 rupees per copy from Monday onwards.
प्रत्येक गोष्ट त्याच्यावर वाढत गेली पण आमचा जो दर असा पळय झेरॉक्साचो तो रुपयापासून रुपया आज अशी परिस्थिती आहे की आमका श्वास घेवपाक ना त्यांचो आम्ही धंदो करता सेवा आणि आम्ही कितें जालें की एकदम जर ते रेट वाडयले लोकूय म्हणटाले वेळार कितें आमकां मस्ती मारली म्हणटाले एकदम हे जालें म्हणटाले म्हणून आम्ही पयलीं एक्चुअली 1.5 रुपयान थारायल्लो पण मोडीचो प्रॉब्लेम येतो आणि तो म्हणटा 8 आनी दी थोडे आसता 8 आनी चड खाता पडतो प्रश्न तो ना म्हणून आम्ही कितें केलें सिंगल कॉपी 2 रुपया आणि कॉपी जेन्ना मागता ती 1.5 रुपयान हिशोब करून कार्ड करता.
Uday Parab from Bicholi for Prudent.
People have voluntarily started testing for HIV in Goa. Past calendar year has seen a significant drop in HIV and AIDS cases across Goa. More than 40 to 45,000 people in the state go in for HIV test every year, wherein around 500 are tested positive. Government schemes like DSS and relaxation in Kadamba tickets have come as a relief to HIV affected. Sneha Sabnis reports.
Almost 554 people have been tested HIV positive, whereas 78 are affected with AIDS. In 2012, there is a fall in cases as compared to the year before last. But good thing is that almost 44,553 people have come forward to test for HIV and AIDS. In 2011, the number was 40,138. The most of the positive cases are found in age group of 35 to 50 years. Almost 251 cases are reported in this age group. However, almost 30 cases are reported in age group of below 14 years. Similarly, 181 cases in age group of 15 to 34 years have been reported. Government has included HIV and AIDS affected patients under the Anand Social Security Scheme. Similarly, HIV and AIDS patients get a relaxation in Kadamba transport fare. Total 81 HIV patients had applied for DSS scheme, out of which 68 have availed the scheme, whereas 435 patients get benefit of relaxation in Kadamba transport fare. The number of cases are more in males than females.
The proportion of direct walk-in to total persons tested is 54.9%. That is, these are the people who have come on their own for the testing to the ICTC. The female contribution is also very noticeable here.
88 HIV and AIDS cases are reported in Murgaon. Next comes Bardes with 86 positive patients. List reported are from Pedne. Project Director of Goa AIDS Control Society Rajnanda Desai feels that efforts of the AIDS Control Society and other NGOs have paid off.
That HIV AIDS should be considered as any other chronic manageable disease. There should not be any stigma and discrimination regarding testing also and regarding availing the services also.
Sneha Sabnis with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Work of anti-sea erosion and protection measures at Anjuna is on in full swing and is expected to complete by first week of April. However, Anjunkars are not happy with the work. They claim that the houses located on the hillocks are not protected. They also claim that the houses on the hill collapse every monsoon.
मेन कितें आहा हें पळय आतां जें हायट आहा पळय ती सारकी कमी आहा हायट आं हें पळय उदक पळय वचोन पळय हें कोसाज आहा पळय तेंच्यांनी कितें हें घालचें सिमेंटीचें पार्टिशन घालपाचें आं सेफ करपाक
ते म्हाका आतां इतलें काम तेंच्यांनी सुंदर केलां पूण इतलें सकलसून काम बरें इतलें करून वयलें तरी मात तरी जाय तरी
कितली वर्सां जाली तुमचे कोसळ
हे जाली आतां 30 वर्सां जाली 50 मीटर गेली सुवात लोकांची.
The foundation stone for NTC erosion and protection measures at Anjuna was laid down in March 2012 and is expected to complete by end of April. We spoke with the site in charge of the project.
Around March and April first week मेरे सोपों पर try करता हमेशा.
ब्लॉक कितने के लिए टोटल?
ब्लॉक 7,500 8,000 मेरे रेडी हा. 10,000 घालपाचे हा. आता एक महिना सोपं येतले ते एक आणि 2,000.
म्हणजे वयर मेरेन कसं येता
ना वयर म्हणते हे आता पाण्याचे स्पीड कमी झाले म्हटले वयर कोसळपाचे ना असे ते एक रिपोर्ट दिलेले तसे त्याच्याप्रमाणे आम्ही करता असे हे हाईट.
A reporter from Anjuna, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.